In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the light bulbs in a flush mount light fixture. And use your hand to hold this glass up. Don't let this go, it could fall. Undo the nut on the bottom here. And watch out for the little washer here. Take this away. You drop the nut, not the glass. With the bowl off, now would be a good time to clean the bowl out before putting everything back together. Leave the bowl somewhere safe so that it doesn't get damaged. I want to change these bulbs out for a cool white light. It's going to be a little bit whiter. These were very yellow, as you probably saw before when I had the light on. So I'm going to put these bulbs back in the box. I've got this handy. If they're dead, dispose of them correctly. Remove the bulbs, really simple. Turn them anti-clockwise, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So we'll do lefty-loosey. This one over here. Take your new bulb, insert it, righty-tighty, turn it to the right. Don't over tighten it, snug it up. This one, turn it to the right. Before we put the glass on, I am going to test it to make sure they're working. We've got our clean bowl to put back on. I'm going to thread it on here so the bolt comes through. Make sure it's in the center. Take the washer. Don't let go of the light, so you just have to keep one hand on here. And get the nut, and put the nut back on. Make sure it's in the center as much as possible. Then tighten this up by hand. Don't use any tools to tighten this up. You don't need to tighten it up more than you can with your hands. And what difference that makes is turned off my work light, so it's just this light that's lighting up this area here, and it's so much better. It's nowhere near as yellow. I'm really happy with how well that turned out. So that's how easy it is to replace the light bulbs in your flush mount light fixture. If you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should check out this video here next.